number 5 of exercise 2.1. Okay, look at the diagram first. This is diagram given in question. It is given, find the perimeter of triangle and this one rectangle. So first question is find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Okay, now what is the perimeter formula? First you should know about the formulas. Okay, perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides, right? So sum of all sides, right? This is the formula of perimeter of triangle. Now solve this and this. Three sides are there. AB 5/2, BE is given and AE is given. Okay, so sum. First I am going to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here is 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11/4 centimeter, right? Now 5 into 3 15 and 15 3 is 18/5 centimeter. Okay, so I am here converting the digit first. Now solve improper fraction addition. So here is 5/2 plus 11/4 plus 18/5. Now first step, check denominator is different. Okay, so what we have to take? LCM. Okay, so what is that? Is 20. Okay, now same concept. 20 divided by 2 you will get 10. 10 into 5 you will get 50 plus 24 divided by, so you will get 5 and 5 into 11 is 55 plus 20 divided by 5 you will get 4. 4 into 18 you will get 72. Okay, now add these numbers 50, 55 and 72. What you will get? I am writing here. Okay, so it's 20. 50 plus 55 is 105 and plus 72 you will get 177. Okay, now can you convert this fraction, improper fraction, into mixed fraction? Yes, it's very simple. Divide 20 like this, 170. Okay, so what you will get? The mixed fraction, when you change what? Mixed fraction, it will 8 whole 17/20 centimeter is the perimeter of triangle. Now perimeter of question number 5, second part, rectangle, area of perimeter of rectangle BCDE. So what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Simple, 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula. Now solve by putting the value. 2 multiply length breadth is given, right? So 11/4 and 7/6. This, forget the triangle now. I am focused on rectangle. So what? 2 into 11/4 7/6 plus. Okay, now next is taking LCM. By taking LCM you will get 2 multiply 6, 4 and 6 LCM is 12 and again 4, 12 divided by 4 you will get 3, 33 plus 12 divided by 6 you will get 2, 2 sevens are 40 like this. Okay, now next step is 33 plus 40 you will get 47 on 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6s are 12. Now can you convert this into mixed fraction? Yes. How can you convert? 6 sevens are 42 and 6 8s are 48. So 6 sevens are 48. 42. Okay, what else remainder? 5. So that means answer of this question is 7 whole 5 upon 6 centimeter is the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. Question is about whose perimeter is greater. So how can you find whose perimeter is greater? Simple. And the third last statement of this, whose perimeter is greater. Okay, so this is the perimeter of triangle and this is the perimeter of rectangle. Now which one is greater? How can you find? Simple, by taking LCM of denominator like this, 20 and 6 first. Okay, then 10, 3 like this. Okay, 5, 2, 3 and 2, 1, 3, 1 like this. So what is the LCM of this question? Simple, 5 2s are 10, 10 6 are 60. That means 60 is the LCM. Now write like this. Arrangement, you know na arrangement. How can you arrange in descending and ascending order? Like this. Write question and write multiply. And what is our LCM? 60. So denominator 60. Now 60 divided by 20, you will get 3, 3. Again 60 divided by 6, you will get 10. Now 7, 3 7s are 21. Okay, 3 7s are again 21, 22, 23 is now 3 1s are 3, 531, and this one is 400. You can easily say perimeter of triangle is greater than perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so this is the question number 5th. Now comes in